Well, the good news is you have survived or are surviving the outbreak of COVID-19. And what better way to celebrate than to make these? Even though you can't leave the house, you can still learn a new skill. So break out the stockpile of popsicle sticks and watch some tutorials. Wait, not everybody has a stockpile of popsicle sticks? Well, go out and get some. Oh wait, we can't. Alright then, well the least you can do is hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.